Okay, hey guys, oh my god, I'm so excited. So today is the 29th of November, which means that it is my 3rd anniversary as SoJo Beauty. So on this day 3 years ago I decided to make my account. Look at this, that is so yuck. So yeah, this day 3 years ago I decided to make my account. So today is a really special day, and my family got me my new camera, my new vlogging camera, which is what you're seeing right now, which is so exciting. So it's like my Christmas present, but I asked if I could have it early because I am going to do Vlogmas this year, and obviously having a vlogging camera would be a huge help. So yeah, I'm really excited, and we're going out for tea tonight and stuff. So yeah, I thought I would vlog and show you my day. I have just done some Christmas makeup, which you can see. I don't know how to focus, like I'm still trying to work out this camera. Oh, here we go. Okay, it's so cool. I've got like the front flip thing, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, I thought I'd just show you a bit of my day. Yeah, I just did some filming while I was waiting for my camera to charge, like my camera battery to charge, and now I'm gonna make some lunch. I'm gonna make some noodles, and after edit a YouTube video, and also I might watch like a show or something while I eat my lunch. So that's what I'm gonna go do now, is make my lunch. So this is my lunch. I made some maigre noodles. I'm having a Sprite. I really want a nap. I'm just so tired. I had a really bad sleep last night, but anyway, gonna have this now, watch my show, and then I'll edit a bit, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay guys, this might be the ugliest angle, and don't worry, I'm not driving, I'm just like in my driveway. Well, I'm just like backing out of my driveway, and I don't think, oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to get past. Right, anyway, so yeah, I'm just waiting for my grandpa to move his car so I can get past. But yeah, I had a nap and it went for way too long, and anyway, I'm on my way now. This is how my makeup looks. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I'll show you my outfit later. But yeah, I'm gonna drive, get Sam, and then it'll be time for tea. So yeah, see you guys soon. We just got to tea. This is what my family got me.
Did you kiss me?
My balloon. Everyone's here. Look at this thing. Look. I haven't taken a photo yet. This is my tea. I've got chimichangas. And Sam got a burrito. Well, I haven't taken a photo. So we just finished tea, and now we're going to Honey Badger. This is Sam. Say hello. Say hello.
I thought it was
Say hello.
Hi.
So yeah, tea was so nice, but I'm so full that my family wanted to go to Honey Badger, so that's where we're going. Is that your mum?
No.
What are you pointing at?
It's the M&M.
Oh, I didn't get to see it. So yeah, we're going to Honey Badger now.
Yeah, the lady just came to check if you were being a good boy.
It's mine and Sam's dessert, but it's quite small, so I don't know how we're going to share
Can
it.
you just please share mine?
Okay, I still don't know how to get this to focus. Okay, so I'm home now. And I guess this is the part where I get a little bit sappy, and yeah, we just chat really, and I tell you how I'm feeling. So let's set my camera somewhere. Isn't this just a hideous angle? But anyway, so sorry, I'm just uploading my YouTube video. Okay, so yeah, tonight was just like literally everything that I could have hoped for. It really blows my mind that like people care about this as much as I do. Like it's actually like crazy to me, because I'm like it's so special to me, but like the fact that it's special to other people too, it's like I feel like people will never understand how much that means to me. Like I put my heart and my soul into my YouTube videos and SoJo Beauty and stuff, and just the fact that other people recognize that, and that like other people care about it as much as I do, and like are proud of me and watch me, and just like all of it just blows my mind. And yeah, first I'll talk about my family, I guess. Like just the fact that they actually threw a dinner for me and got me like the little cupcakes and all that kind of stuff, and got me my balloons and everything. Like it's just like crazy to me. Like I don't know, you guys know when you're excited for something and someone matches your excitement? Like that is just like, this is such a meaningful thing to me, and that just literally means the entire world. And they've just made like this day so special for me. My mum made me a little card, and my dad called me before and told me how proud he was of me and everything. And yeah, I have so many amazing people around me supporting me, and I just am never gonna be able to like thank them enough. Like, and then as for you guys, everyone watching, like the fact that you actually take time out of your day to watch my videos, and then you take time out of your day to comment on my videos and like my videos, and you know, comment on my Instagram and like my Instagram posts and all that kind of stuff. Like it just blows my mind that you spend your time watching me. Like you guys honestly make my day so much. And like honestly, I was so lost in life for the longest time, and when I found YouTube, it was like everything fell into place, you know. And like it honestly is my reason for waking up every day, and there isn't a day that I don't work on SoJo Beauty or my Instagram or my YouTube or something relating to it. Like every single day I work, and yeah, the fact that, you know, it's paying off and that people actually like my content and my videos, and just like all of it is just so surreal. And like honestly, I'm waiting for the day that I wake up, because it just seems like a dream. Like it honestly does just seem like not real. Yuck, what was that hand movement? One of my hands looks so ugly. Yuck. But yeah, anyway, so I'm probably gonna go to bed because I'm actually so tired. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me, and for being here, and for watching this video, and for watching all of my videos, and just for, you know, sticking by me for these 3 years. And you guys are honestly the reason that I keep going, you know. I'm so excited for Vlogmas, especially now that I have my camera. I love it. It's so cool. It's so compact. It was so easy to just whip it out at dinner, and yeah, it's just like so easy to use and so quick, and yeah, I love it. So Vlogmas is going to be an absolute breeze, and I cannot wait. But yeah, thank you guys for everything. I wish I could hug and kiss you all through the camera. Probably not at the moment though, because like, you know, COVID. But yeah, I'm sending my virtual hugs and kisses because I love you all so much. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video.